Hey, we're excited to introduce you to our listing here in Bondurant. This property is awesome. Features over 2,100 square feet. It has 3 beds, 3 baths, a 2-stall attached garage. Let's check it out. I'm a really big fan of 2-story homes that have open concepts. So as you're welcome into this property, you have a really good sized living room right here. A few nice custom features about this front living room is you have some built-in speakers on this side, and then additionally right here. So if you want a game-like experience, it's gonna be football season soon. This is a great living room to watch your favorite football team. And I like how it's all connected. So as you walk through the living room, you have the open concept kitchen. All the appliances are included. You have a good size eat-in table right here. I really love this back backyard. So this is a great layout for a backyard. You have a concrete patio right here, plenty of space to grill. The play set is included here, but the thing I really like the most about this is 2 things. One is it's all fenced in. Then additionally, there is a shed right over here as well. So that's great for all your lawn equipment. So very well laid out backyard. Big fan of that. And then off the kitchen right here, you have your two-stall attached garage right here, and you have your half bath right here. Now we'll go upstairs and we'll check out the 3 beds and the 2 baths. As you continue on here, we have guest bedroom number 1 right here at this landing. Good closet space. Really wonderful natural light that comes into here. We'll have guest bedroom number 2 right here. Now this is the front of the house. You got 2 windows in here, which is great. You have a good sized closet. What I really like about these 2 bedrooms is that you have a shared bathroom right here, a full bath. Conveniently located here on the 2nd floor. So what I really like about this is that this is not a closet, this is a laundry room. So you got plenty of storage space, and I like that it's upstairs with the bedrooms for obvious reasons. It's easy to get your laundry done. All right, now let's go to the primary bedroom right here. Great natural light, as you can see. This is a king size bed. You got plenty of space. This is a really great size. Off of here, you have your primary bathroom here, just right off the bedroom here. And then in here, you have a nice walk-in closet. So great size, great layout here on this 2-story home. All right, now we'll progress to the basement. This basement has nearly 600 finished square feet. Check out this basement right here. Basement features nearly 600 square feet. It's really nice, open concept, really cozy area to hang out. You have your egress window right here, which allows a lot of light. Then right in here is your storage area. Nothing huge, but it's nice to have the storage space here. You got plenty of space right here for your storage. It wraps around the stairs there. And then you even have space right here to put put some storage shelves over here as well. If you're looking for a great opportunity here in Bondurant, this is it. This property features over 2,100 finished square feet, 2-stall attached garage, 3 beds, 3 baths. On the main floor has really an awesome open concept, which is great for entertaining and for family life. In the basement, you have a finished basement, which is awesome for movies and just hanging out. It's wonderful to have that extra living space. Outside, you have a really nice layout with a fenced yard. So if you have any questions, please reach out. This is a wonderful home. You'll not regret visiting it. Please reach out if you'd like to have a private tour.